Shall we begin with depreciation? I do not want to go into theory aspects of why depreciation, what is depreciation, SLM, WDV and all. Just most important aspects where sometimes you may go wrong in the exam. Okay, there are two methods of charging depreciation. One is called as direct method, where depreciation will be charged in the asset. Another method is which one? Provision for depreciation account method. When you purchase the asset, what is the entry you will pass? Don't need to copy this, just for your reference. Asset account data, which account? Bank account. The other one also same entry will be passing. First method or second method, let it be the first method or second method, will be passing the same entry. When depreciation is charged, what is the entry will pass? Depreciation account data to which account? Asset account. And depreciation will not be charged to the asset. Depreciation will go to provision for depreciation account. This is called as accumulated depreciation account also. Then, number 3, when an asset is sold, we charge depreciation up to the rate of sale. We charge depreciation up to the rate of sale. We will do this. Then, how to record the sale entry? Bank account data to asset. This is book value. Book value means WDV, cost minus depreciation. If there is a loss, we will debit. And if there is a profit on sale also, we will debit. Okay, loss or profit may be a balancing figure. Here, under the provision for depreciation account method, what we have to do? We have to close provision for depreciation account, that is accumulated depreciation on the sold asset. We have to close that also. Because asset will keep appearing at what price? Cost price. When you sell the asset, ensure that you close which account? Provision for depreciation account also. Provision for depreciation account also. Remember simple. First method, we are charging directly on the asset value or to the asset account. Asset will appear at what value? Book value. Second method, depreciation goes to asset account? No. Depreciation goes to a separate account called as which account? Provision for depreciation account. Asset will appear at cost price. Asset will appear at what price? Cost price. So when you sell the asset, ensure that you are closing the depreciation also. Okay. Sometimes they may ask you to prepare asset disposal account. That we will see what to do. Okay. Can you change the method of depreciation? Yes. If it is permitted by law or accounting standard for accounting policy, you can change what? Depreciation. The change can be for the future or it can be for what? Past. How to do that? We will see now. Question. Read the first question. On 1495, we purchased a machinery for how much? On 1495, we purchased a machine for how much? 72,800 and paid how much? 2,200 for installation. 110.95, another 25,000 we are purchasing machine. Next year we are selling the first machine for 50,000 and new machine we are purchasing for what? 45,000. Depreciation is provided on 31st March at the rate of 10% on which value? WDV. So this is for 95 and 96. 95 and 96. Next read out pannunga. On 1497, the firm decided to change the method of depreciation, adopted which one? 10% original cost with what? Retrospective effect means with the beginning, from the beginning north. From the beginning north. So they ask you to prepare ledger accounts up to 31st March 98. Up to 31st March 98. So first 2 years we are in which method? WDV method. Then we change to SLM. How to do the change? We will see that. First let us do which one? First 2 years accounting. First 2 years accounting. Start. Which account we need to prepare? Machinery account. Do it along with me, no need to wait. 1495. machinery account debtor to bank account. This is for the first machine. First machine is purchased for how much? 72,800 plus 2,200 in over. Okay. Again, we are buying a machine. 110.95 to bank account. We are buying the second machine. We are buying the second machine for how much? 25,000. We are buying the second machine for how much? 25,000. Next என்ன பண்றோம்? Next என்ன பண்றோம்? Depreciation for 31,396 by depreciation. First asset 75,000 into 10% whole year 7,500. Second asset 25,000 into 10% for how many months? October to March. How many months? 6 months. Tally பண்ணீங்கன்னா 31st March 96 by balance carried out. First year ledger is 4. Next 1,496 to bank account, sorry, to balance brought down. To balance brought down how much? 91,250 வருமா? 91,250 வருமா? Wait பண்ணுங்க. From now onwards, listen for next 2-3 minutes. I'll complete this, then you can take it up. Shall I? On 1,496, what is the balance? 91,250. On that day, we are selling the first machine. We are selling the first machine. 1,496 அன்னைக்கே sale பண்றோம் by bank account. The first machine is sold for how much? 50,000. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Whether we have to provide depreciation? No. Why? It is sold on the first day. 96, 97 நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணவே இல்லை. We sold the asset on the day 1. Okay. First machinery. Listen to it. அப்புறமா எடுத்துக்கலாம். What is the cost of the first machinery? 75,000. Depreciation for 95, 96 எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? Depreciation for 95, 96 how much? 7,500. So that's all. No more depreciation. It is sold on the first day. Book value எவ்வளவு வரும்? 67,500. It is sold for how much? 50,000 na loss on sale. Loss on sale வரும் 17,500 loss on sale. This will come as by loss on sale of machine போடலாம், or by P&L account also you can do how much? 17,500. On the same day, we are buying a new machine. We are buying the new machine. A third machine we are purchasing for how much? On the same day, a fresh machine was purchased for 45,000. Wait. 31,397. End of the year by depreciation. Which machine is there with us? First sale பண்ணியாச்சு. Second machine is there with us. WDV ல இருக்கும். 25,000 minus first year low போட்டாச்சு. 1,250 into 10%. 25,000 cost of the asset. 1,250 first year depreciation into 10%. How much will come? 2,375 will come. Third machinery is just now purchased for how much? 45,000. Of course, first April purchase பண்ணதால into how many months? That is full year. 10%. எவ்வளவு வரும்? 4,500. On the same day we are buying. This is for finding out loss on sale. This is purchased on 1/4/96. Wait for buy balance carry down. Buy balance carry down. I request you to listen because we are going to change the method of depreciation. I'll give you sufficient time to copy. Those who are accessing a recording, you can pause and copy. Okay. Next year, இது வந்து buy balance carry down. Next year, 2 balance carry down now. 1/4/97, 2 balance brought down. Okay. Now, on 1/4/97, we change to which method? Change to 10% SLM. Change to 10% SLM. With retrospective effect, now from the beginning, Which mission is there with us? Second mission is there with us. And the third mission is there with us. First mission is change panna thevilla. Why? That is sold. This opening balance consists of second and which mission? Third mission. Second mission எப்போ purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 1/10/95 purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எவ்வளவு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 25,000. அப்போ depreciation for 95/96. Depreciation for 95/96 எவ்வளவு போடுவோம்? இந்த mission தான் வரும். அதே தான் வரும். 10% இல்லையா? 1250. Third mission we purchased only in the next year. 45,000. Depreciation for 96/97. We are providing on cost of the asset. Now in the value lower. In the 25,000 10%. 25,000 10% and over. 2,500. This purchased on what date? This 45,000 purchased on what date? 1/4/96 itself. So we'll provide fully a depreciation 4,500. Okay. So this is the value as per SLM. 25,000 minus all depreciation. 21,250 varo. So what is the total value as per the new method? 21,250 plus 40,500. This is the value as per new method. What is the value as per the old method? 61,875 irukku, but it should be only 61,750. We have more value. Ledger we have more value. 61,875 irukku, but the value should be only what? 61,750 na. What to do? 1/4/97. The difference will be charged in P&L account. Difference will be charged in which account? P&L account. How much? This minus this. You will charge it in P&L account. How much? Difference in value will be charged in which account? P&L account. Wait. Next, at the end of the year, 31,398, we will provide depreciation as per the new method. Which mission is with us? Second mission and third mission with us. Second mission, what is the value of the second mission? 25,000 into eவ்வளவு percent? 10%. Why? Because SLM. We are in which method? SLM. Third mission எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 45,000 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 10% SLM, 4,500. The tally பண்ணா 31,398. We will get what? Buy balance carried on. I repeat, first two missions are purchased, depreciation for first year doubt irukka. Then what do we do next? Subsequently, we are purchasing the third mission. First mission was sold on the day one, so we worked out loss on sale of asset. Then depreciation for the year, we charge, depreciation for the year we provide. Then next year opening balance வருது, we change to 10% SLM, for which mission? We change? Second and third mission we change. Second mission, first year 6 months kind of depreciation, next year 1 year kind of depreciation, we get the value. Third mission value we get. As per the new method, the value should be only 61,750. But old value 61,875 now. Difference you will transfer to P&L account. Then at the end of the year, we charge depreciation as per which method? New method, SLM method. Take up this. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Okay. இதே மாடல் ஒரு சம் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். 2001 November 3 இருக்கு இல்லையா? 1st January பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிருப்போம். 31st December depreciation charge பண்றோம். In 1999, 96, 97, 98 என்ன மெத்தட்ல இருக்கும்? SLM. In 1999 we changed to which method? WDV method. 96 to 2000 கேட்டிருக்கான். January to December year. Try பண்ணுங்க. Copy this, then try that question. If nothing is given, you can assume retrospective. The copy பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Recorded class students, if required, you pass in copy. First we are in which method? SLM. Then we move to WDV. When the first machine was purchased? For how much? 20 lakhs including installation. 1st July 96 we are buying another machine for how much? 10 lakh. 31/12/96 by depreciation for the first machine எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 20 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage? 10%. Second machine 10 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage? 10% for how many months? 6 months. How much? 50,000. There is no other transaction. 97 there is no other transaction. By depreciation, first mission are we selling any machine? 98 la that machine sale பண்றோமா? On 1st July we are selling the first machine and we are purchasing a fresh machine. We are not selling on 1st January. 1st July அப்ப sale பண்றோம். By depreciation for the first machinery sold. எவ்வளவு depreciation வரும்? 20 lakhs into 10% for how many months? 6 months. we are selling on 1797. அதனால you have to charge depreciation up to the rate of sale. By bank account, it is sold for, by bank account it is sold for how much? 8 lakhs. So what is the cost of the machine? 50 lakhs. Depreciation for 96, 97 and 98 up to the date of sale. 2 lakh, 2 lakh, up to the rate of sale 1 lakh depreciation. Now book value, what is the book value? 15 lakhs, sold for how much? So loss on sale, balancing. What is the loss on sale? 7 lakhs. Then as usual at the end of the year we have to provide depreciation. 31/12/97. We are purchasing a new machine of 1797 to bank. Third machine is purchased for how much? At the end of the year, by depreciation for the second machine continue agum. Third machine 15 lakh into 10% for 6 months. $15 lakh into 10% for 6 months, how much? 75,000. So on 1798 here. On 1199, two balance brought down. Two balance brought down. Now we have to change to the method. On 1199, change to which method? WDV. They prospective effect nu kuduthundana the director 20% put poite irukku. They tell you that it is a prospective effect. 21,75,000 into what? 20% over. No need to adjust for the past. So we have to change for second mission and which mission? Third mission. Second mission ko, third mission ko we need to change. Cost 1796 was 10 lakhs. Depreciation for 96 will be 20% for 6 months. 1796 தான purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். For 10 lakh 20% for 6 months. 20% for 6 months. How much will be? Depreciation balance எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 9 lakhs. Depreciation for 97 will be, depreciation for 97 will be on this 20%. on this 20% and over 1,80,000. Third machine is just now purchased. Okay, next year லாம் purchase பண்றோம். Depreciation for 98. இந்த மிஷினுக்கு டைரக்டா 20% போட்டுடலாம். 7,20,000க்கு 20%. New machine was purchased in 98. எவ்வளவுக்கு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 15 lakhsக்கு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு depreciation வரும் இந்த 15 lakhsக்கு? 15 lakhs into 20% for how many months? 6 months. 15 lakh 20% for 6 months. எவ்வளவு வரும் depreciation? Less panna, you will get the value on what date? Value on what date? 1/1/99. This is a new value. Hello, total. Difference you will charge to P&L account 1,199 by P&L account. Difference between the old value and new value. Old value இவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க, new value இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கு. Difference you will charge to P&L account. Then by depreciation, WDV method, new method, 19,26,000 new value into 20%. By balance carry down opening balance minus the difference in depreciation minus the new depreciation. Depreciation will be calculated as per the new method. Any doubt in it? We work out as per new method from the beginning. Third mission was purchased. The third mission was purchased on 1/10/98 only. This was purchased on 1/10/98 only. That is why for this we provide only for the 6 months depreciation for the next year. Suppose in the retrospective effect எதுவுமே கொடுக்கலன்னா என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? இந்த ஒர்க் எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை, ப்ராஸ்பெக்டிவ்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்கன்னா all these works are not required. Depreciation போடும்போது third yearல 21,75,000 into 20% போட்டு. It is retrospective effect நால we do all the work. This is for which question? Second question. இது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? லாஸ்ட் ஒன் போறா. Next question move பண்ணலாம். We'll go to which question? 2003, this question. Similar model தான் இருக்கும், only numbers are different. Only numbers are different. Let us try. First machine, read the question, then we'll solve. Try பண்ணுறோம். First machinery எப்போ purchase பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? 1st January for 1,60,000 plus 40,000 erection cost spend பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So 1st January 99 to bank account first machine for 2 lakhs. Second machine 1799 purchase பண்ணியிருக்கோம் for how much? 1799 for how much? 80,000. 31/12/99 போடும்போது depreciation என்ன method? SLM or WDV first? 10% SLM. So first machine 2 lakh into 10%. Do it along with me. 2 lakhs into 10% and over 20,000. Second machine 80,000, 10% for how many months? How much it will be? 4,000. Balance 2,54,000 will come. There is no purchase or sale in the next year. By depreciation, SLM தானே. We are buying the third mission on 1/7. Okay. First July எப்போ சேல் பண்றோம்? First July எப்போ சேல் பண்றீங்க இல்லையா? Charge depreciation. Two lakhs into 10% for how many months? 6 months. The first mission is sold for 1 lakh. What is the cost of first mission? 2 lakhs. Depreciation பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க ஒரு 20 plus 20 plus 8,000. What is the book value? Which is sold for loss on sale எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 52,000. Then the third mission we are buying on 30th September. Installed on 30th September. So installation complete பண்ண டேட்ல இருந்தா நீங்க you can charge depreciation. Third mission is purchased for how much? 30,000. So 3112 depreciation போடும்போது second mission அப்படியே வந்துடும் depreciation. Third mission இப்பதான் purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எவ்வளவு? 30,000 into 10% for how many months? 6 months கிடையாது. அக்டோபர் 3rd செப்டம்பர் எண்ட்ல தான் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அக்டோபர், நவம்பர், டிசம்பர் 3 months. How much will it come? 31/12/2001 by balance carry down. So which mission we need to change depreciation? Second and third we need to change depreciation. Cost of the second mission on 1/7/99 எவ்வளவுக்கு பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க செகண்ட் எமிஷன்? Depreciation எவ்வளவு percent? 15% for 6 months. Then 76,000 வரும். Depreciation for 2000 will be இதுல 15%. Depreciation for 2001 will be on this 15%. The third emission was purchased just in the last year. எப்போ purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க third emission? 30th September 2001 தான் purchase பண்ணி. Depreciation will be how much? 30,000 into எவ்வளவு percentage? For 3 months. Only for 3 months you have to provide depreciation. Which one? 80,000. Yeah. So P&L account ல போடும்போது 89 to 50 minus 82,340. This amount will be charged in P&L account. New method of depreciation போடணும் 82,340 into 15%. Correct? The third emission was purchased on 30th September. This alone 15% for 6 months. Please take up this, then we'll proceed. அது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Go to question number 4. It's a very good question. Go through question number 4. When the opening balance is given, 4,05,000 on what date? 1st January 2003. They ask you to prepare accounts for 2003. No 4 years, 5 years ledger accounts. Only 1 year ledger accounts. But unless some difficulty would have been added. They ask you to prepare ledger accounts only for 1 year. 2003 மட்டும்தான் கேட்டிருக்கான். Okay, just read the question, then we'll work out. Just read the question fully, then we'll work out. Read the full fourth question, then we'll work out. Depreciation was charged under which method? Diminishing balance method. On 1st July, the company sold a part of the machine for how much? 87,500. It was purchased on what date? 1st January 2001 for 1,40,000. Then on the same date, the company purchased a new machine. At the end of the year, the company decided to adopt which method? SLM. Rate of depreciation will remain what? Same nu sollirukam. The depreciation changes after the sale of asset or before the sale of asset? Method of depreciation changes at the end of the year. Method of depreciation changes at the end of the year. What is the value of the machine today? 4,05,000. We want to change the method of depreciation from 1st January 2001. We want to go back and change. Tell me, what is the balance of machinery? On 1/1/2003. 1/1/2003, how much? 4,05,000. We want to change from 1/1/2001. So what would have been the cost of machine on 1/1/2001? Wait பண்ணுங்க. When you are following WDV method, if opening balance is 100, depreciation is 10%, closing balance will be 90%. So 1/1/2003 balance கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We want to go to 1/1/2001. எப்படி work out பண்ணது? 4,05,000 into 100 by 90 போட்டா 1 year reverse ஆகும். This will give us balance on 1/1/2002. Once more into 100 by 90 போட்டீங்கன்னா it will go 2 years reverse. So 4,05,000 100 by 90, 10% depreciation. அப்போ value of the asset will be 90. 4,05,000 100 எவ்வளோ? எதுக்கு ரெண்டு வாட்டி மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம்? We want to go 2 years reverse. So this is the cost of the asset. What is the cost of the asset? 5 lakhs is the cost of the asset. வேணா வெரிஃபை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். 5 lakh 10% போட்டு என்ன வரும்? 50,000 வரும். 10% போட்டா 50,000 வரும். பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 4,05,000. 4,50,000. அதுக்கு 10% போட்டு என்ன வரும்? 45,000. அதோட வேல்யூ வந்து 4,05,000. This is what is given in the question. So this is given in the question. We go 2 years reverse and find out cost of the asset on 1/1/2001. Sir, edhukku sir kandupidikanum? Because we want to change the method from 1/1/2001. But wait பண்ணுங்க. We are asked to prepare machinery account for which year? 2003. We are in 2003. 1/1/2003. 1/1/2003 appo what is the balance brought down? 4,05,000. Okay. Then we are buying new machine. ஒரு new machine வேற purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். 1st July அப்போ New machine we are purchasing. 1st July 2003 to bank. New machine purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எவ்வளவு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 2,50,000 க்கு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Then one machine was sold. One machine was sold. What is the cost of the machine sold? On 1/1/2001 கொடுத்திருக்கோம். No. Cost of the machine sold. It was purchased on 1/1/2001 for 87,500 கொடுத்திருக்கோம். It was purchased for how much? This sold machine. The machine sold in 2003 for 87,500 sell பண்ணிருக்கோம். அது எப்போ purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 1st January 2001 for how much? 1,20,000. So what is the cost of the machinery? 1,20,000. Depreciation for 2001. We are in which method? Old method. In old method. 10% WDV. 12,000 இருக்கும். Balance would be 1,08,000. This is the balance on 1/1/2001. Then depreciation for 2002. அதுக்கு 10%. What in our 10,800. This is the balance on what date? 1/1/2002. Sorry, this is the balance on 1/1/2002, and this is the balance on 1/1/2003. How much balance? Is it sold at the beginning of the year? Is it sold at the beginning of the year? No. எப்போ சேல் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? It is sold on what date? July la sale பண்ணிருக்கோம். It is sold in July month. So depreciation for 2003 up to what date? 1st July we need to provide 97,200 is the value of the asset into எவ்வளவு percent? 10% for how many months? 6 months. 4,860. 4,860 is the value of the asset. 4,860 is the value of the asset. 4,860 as the value of the asset. Wait பண்ணுங்க. 4,860 is the value of the depreciation. Okay. Then book value. What is the book value? 97,200 minus 4,860. Now this is the book value. This is sold for. This is sold for how much? 87,500. Sold for 87,500. Profit or loss? Loss on sale. What is the loss on sale? 4,850. 4,840. Any doubt so far? So when are we selling the asset? When are we selling the asset? 1/7/2003 by depreciation on the 6 months depreciation. 6 months depreciation போட்டிருக்கோமே எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 4,860. Then on the same date 1/7/2003 by bank it is sold for 87,500 க்கு சேல் பண்ணிருக்கோம். 1/7/2003 by loss on sale. What is the loss on sale? 4,840. Any doubt so far? This is just a reverse working to find out the cost of the machine. Just to find out which one? Cost of the machine. It's not over. We have to change the method of depreciation also. Take up this, then we'll proceed. end of the year method change பண்றோம். Proceed பண்ணலாமா? Any doubt up to this? ஏன் reverse workup பண்றோம்? We want to change the method from 2001 onwards. We want to change the method from which one? 2001 onwards. இது வந்து to work out the profit or loss on machinery sold. Okay. We sold it only on 1st July. We sold it on what date? 1st July. Now, we have to provide depreciation up to 1st July. We have to provide depreciation up to 1st July. So book value 92,340, sold for 87,500, loss on sale how much? 4,840. Shall I proceed? Next, how to work out change in the method of depreciation? How to work out change in the method of depreciation? What was the cost of the asset? 5 lakh. What is the cost of the asset sold? So change in the method. Cost of asset out of 5 lakh minus 1 lakh 20 eliminate பண்ணிடணும். ஏன் 1 lakh 20 eliminate பண்ணிடணும்? Sold. அப்போ what is the cost? 3,80,000. What is the new method of depreciation? New method of depreciation என்ன method அது? Which method? They want to change to 10% SLM. Same rate, 10% SLM. 10% SLM. அப்போ depreciation for 2001 10% போட என்ன இருக்கும்? இதுல எவ்வளவு percentage? 10%. Then depreciation for 2002 also same amount தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்? SLM இல்லையா? same amount தான் இருக்கும். So this will give us book value on 1/1/2003. Okay, 3,80,000 minus depreciations. Book value on 1/1/2003 3,04,000. This is as per the new method. New method book value as on this date is 3,04,000. What is the old book value? What is the old book value? 4,05,000 கிடையாது. 4,05,000 கிடையாது. Old book value வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா out of 4,05,000 we sold 97 to 100. Don't take 90 to 340. What is the book value of the asset sold? 97 to 100. Out of 2,50,000, 97 to 100 has been sold. அப்போ old asset ஓட book value எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் கையில்? 4,05,000. In that 97 to 100 book value sold out. ஆமா. Depreciation அது எப்படிங்க? Depreciation current year போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறமா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவீங்களா? 31st December தான். 31st December தான். Will you charge depreciation as per the new method or old method? New method. அப்போ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க இதை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கணும். So difference in value. New value இருக்கு, old value இருக்கு. So we would reduce. எவ்வளவு reduce பண்ணணும்? Difference. 31/12/2003 by P&L account. 31/12/2003 by P&L account. The difference in value we have to place. What is the difference in value? Old value 3,07,800 minus new value 3,04,000. Difference you will take it to P&L. Then we need to provide depreciation for the current year. We need to provide depreciation for the current year. 31/12/2003 by depreciation. By depreciation, old asset oda value எவ்வளோ? 3,80,000 into எவ்வளோ percentage? 10%. New method 38,000 வரும். For this new asset purchased, 2,50,000 into 10% for 6 months. எவ்வளோ depreciation இருக்கும்? டாலி பண்ணீங்கன்னா பேலன்ஸ் Now I request you to listen for next 2-3 minutes. Then அப்புறமா காப்பி பண்ணலாம். ஏதோ போட்டு க்ளோஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். But I request you to listen. Then you can take it up. Pay attention. இது வரைக்கும் தெளிவா இருக்கீங்களா? Are you clear? Balance is given on 1/1/2003. We are going 2 years reverse. Why are we going 2 years reverse? We want to find out the value of the asset on 1/1/2001 to change the method of depreciation. For asset sale பண்ணிருக்கோம். What is the cost of the asset? 1,20,000. Depreciation for 2001 12,000. Balance வரும். Depreciation for 2002 வரும். This is the balance of asset which is sold, not all the assets. Balance of the asset which is sold. This asset is not sold on 1st January. It is sold on what date? 1st July. Now provide depreciation. The 4,860. It is sold for 87,500 now. What is the loss on sale? 4,840 is the loss on sale. Now we have to change the method of depreciation. Pay attention. What is the total cost of the asset? 5 lakh. What is the cost of the asset sold? Upper balance 3,80,000. For that, apply the new method SLM. 2001 க்கு 10%, 2002 க்கு 10%. Now, what is the book value as per the new method? 3,04,000. Don't compare 4,05,000. 4,05,000 oda compare பண்ணிடாதீங்க. In the 4,05,000 ல, what is the value of the asset that is sold? This 112,003 book value includes this 97,200. So what is the book value of the asset sold? 3,07,800. The book value eliminate பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா 3,07,800 வரும். So from 3,07,800, we want to reduce it to 3,04,000. How much you have to charge it in P&L account? 3,800 you have to charge it in P&L account. Wait. At the end of the year, we have to provide depreciation. This old asset cost, what is the cost? 3,80,000 10%. For the new asset purchased, 10% for how many months? 10% for how many months? 6 months. Let us provide depreciation. So tally panna by balance. Take up this. So within 1 year, listen, we are preparing machinery account for which year? Only 1 year. இதுலயே எல்லாத்தையும் கவர் பண்ணிட்டோம். Charging depreciation as per old method, new method, sale of asset, calculating the profit or loss on sale of asset. Okay. Remaining asset இருக்கு, அதுக்கு கரெக்டா பார்த்து depreciation போடணும். Everything is covered in 1 year. Take up this. Oh no, is it over? Proceed பண்ணலாமா? Question number 5 பாருங்க. Here also from January 2000, 2001 we continue under old method. In 2002 we want to change to WDB. We want to change to which one? WDB. First July new machine was sold off. The second machinery was sold கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. But before that there is a change in the method of depreciation. On 1st July 2002 the first machinery was sold, new machinery was purchased கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Read the question, we will solve. Read the full question, we will work. Shall we start? Which year we purchased asset first? எப்போ first asset purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? one 2000. First machine was purchased for how much? 3 lakh plus 60 plus 40. எவ்வளவு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 4 lakhs. Then next, 1st July we are purchasing another machine. Second machine was purchased for how much? Second machine was purchased for how much? 2,60,000. இல்ல next year purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். First year ஒரே ஒரு machine. So by depreciation will be 4 lakh into how much percentage? First July 2001, another machine was purchased for 2,60,000. Any sale in 2001? No. We are in which method? SLM தானே. First machinery 4 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage? 20%. 20% or 10%? The second machine. on 1st January itself, அதாவது இந்த சேல் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நம்ம depreciation method change பண்ணிட்டோம். We are selling on 1st July, but we are changing the method of depreciation on what date? 1st January itself. So on 1st January itself, we are changing the method of depreciation. Change to what percentage? 15% WDV for the second asset and third asset. Sorry, first asset and second asset. What is the cost of the first machinery on 1/1/2000? 4 lakhs. To bank 4 lakhs by depreciation on 31/12/2000. How much depreciation? 40,000. Balance carry down 3 lakh 60 ஆச்சு. Next year, to balance brought down இருக்கு. Next year we buy a new machine. Depreciation, first machine for the whole year, second machine for 6 months we provide. Then by balance carry down potash. To balance brought down 5 lakh 67, where we change the method. Before even selling the machine, we are changing the method. Depreciation for 2000, எவ்வளவு percentage இருக்கு? எவ்வளவு percentage? New method? Second machinery was just purchased last year. எப்போ purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 1/7/2001 தான் purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். For how much we purchased? 2,60,000. Depreciation will be for this 2,60,000. How many months? For this 2,60,000 into 15% for how many months? 6 months. So what is the value as per the new method? So balance you can transfer to P&L account. After this only we are selling the asset. After this only we are selling the asset. When are we selling the asset? எப்போ sell பண்றீங்க? 1/7. Wait, when we are selling the asset, we are in which method? By depreciation for the sold asset will be the opening balance இருக்கு எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 2,89,000 into எவ்வளவு percent? 15% for 6 months. புரியுது எப்படி 2,89,000 சொல்லிட்டு? That is the value of the asset sold. So what is the book value of the asset sold? 2,89,000 minus 21,675. What is the book value of the asset sold? It is sold for how much? It is sold for how much? Sold for sold for 3 lakhs. Now profit or loss? Profit. Profit on sale. Two 2002 ஏதாவது asset purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம்னு பாருங்க. Is there any asset purchased in 2002? Yes. We purchased a new machine for 2,50,000. 1/7/2002. To bank. Which asset? Third asset is purchased. Why are we applying the change of the method before selling the asset? It was changed on 1/1/2002 itself. So we transfer the balance to P&L account. Old method value minus new method value we transfer to P&L account. Next என்ன பண்ணணும்? By depreciation. இப்போ எந்த asset இருக்கு நம்ம கையில? First asset is sold. Second asset பாருங்க. What is the value of the second asset? As per the new method என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு? 2,40,500 into எவ்வளோ percentage? New method 15% WD. This is for the second asset. இப்போ third asset purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். $18,000. Now tally the account 31/12/2002. By balance carried out. We are moving on to which date? 1/1/2003. Two balance brought on இருக்கும். Two balance brought on இருக்கும் 4,35,675. Wait, in 2003, what do we do? Second machine was sold. Upper second machine order value order. When are we selling? 1/7/2003. By depreciation, we have to put for the second machine. Then 1/7/2003. Record the sale. எவ்வளவு depreciation வரும்? Second order asset ஓட வேல்யூ எவ்வளவு பாருங்க. இப்பதான் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இங்க 2,40,500. தென் அதுக்கு டெப்ரிசியேஷன் போட்டிருக்கோம். Depreciation for 2002. Now only we worked out. எவ்வளவு ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? 36,075 now. Balance on 1/1/2003 வரும். Now we have to depreciate up to 1/7/2003 இல்லையா? What will be the depreciation up to 1/7/2003? So 2,04,425 into எவ்வளவு percent? 15% for how many months? 6 months. They ask you to round off. 15,331 point. Okay, we can round out to 15,332. So by depreciation, it is sold for how much? It is sold for how much? It is sold for 2,30,000. It is sold for 2,30,000. Approved. Loss on sale. Loss or profit? Book value is only this much. So it will be to profit on sale. What is the profit on sale? 1,89,000. It is sold for so which machine is sold? Second machine is sold. Are you buying any third machine? 2003 la the machine purchase பண்றாங்களா? No. Then 31/12/2003. By depreciation. Which machine is left with us? Third machine தான் இருக்கு. Third machine last year purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். 2,50,000 purchase பண்ணிருக்கோம். Depreciation எவ்வளவு போட்டிருக்கீங்க? 18,750 into 15%. Over. Shall we proceed பண்ணலாமா? I repeat a minute. First year only one purchase, depreciation closed. Second year opening balance, there is a purchase, depreciation for two assets, then close. Third year, before we sell the asset, we change the depreciation. We change the depreciation and difference we take to P&L account. On 1/7/2002, this by depreciation is for which asset? First asset which is sold. Okay, 2,89,000 into 15% for 6 months photo. Book value minus sale price, profit on sale. What is the selling price? 3 lakhs. What is the book value of the asset sold? 267,315. This is the profit on sale. Then we record the sale. We purchase the third asset. Depreciation. Which machine is there as of now? First machine is sold. Okay, second machine da irukum. The second machine oda value parunga 2,40,500 into 15%. Third machine is just purchased, 6 months depreciation. Last year, we find out the sale, profit or loss, etc. Which asset is with us? The third asset is only with us. First and second asset is sold. Only the third machinery is there. 2,50,000 minus 18,750 into 15%. Go to close panna by balance carried on. Next question you can do now. It will take just 10 minutes of time. Try பண்ணுங்க. இது வந்து from 2015. We want to change from 1st January 2015. Try பண்ணுங்க. Then by balance carried on 36,000. We are purchasing another asset. எப்போ purchase பண்றோம் asset? Second asset was purchased for how much? 10,000. No sale, etc. WDV SLM first. First is SLM la irukum.
First January 2016 they want us to change.
With effect from 1st January 2015 na change பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Which means it's 4 years from 2015 கேட்டிருக்கா. 15, 16, 17, 18. After this change happens in 2018 now. This change happens in which year? 2018. They ask you to prepare ledger accounts for how many years? 4 years now. 15, 16, 17, 18. After the change happens in which year? 2018, but they do the change with the retrospective effect. So 16 la depreciation போடும்போது என்ன மெத்தட் இருக்கும்? 40,000 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 10%. 4,000. புதுசா purchase பண்ணதுக்கு 10,000 into 10% for how many months? 6 months. Two 2017 ஏதாவது பாருங்க. 2017 we are selling. When are we selling? By depreciation first for the first machine sold. Hello depreciation. SLM தானே 40,000 into 10% for 6 months. By bank எவ்வளவு சேல் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? Sold for how much? It is sold for 28,000. Profit or loss? Depreciation for 2015, 2016 and 2017. What is the book value? 30,000. Sold for 28,000 na? Loss on sale. Loss on sale. Next. எப்போ purchase பண்றோம்? Same date new machine. 1/7/2017. To bank, we are buying the third machine. We are buying the third machine for how much? 25,000. At the end of the year, 31/12/2017. By which account? Which machine is there with us? Second machine, 10,000 into 10%. Third machine, 25,000 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 6/12 எவ்வளவு வரும்? You have to change the method of depreciation. On 1/1/2018, change it to எவ்வளோ percentage? 15% WDV. So which asset is there with us? Which asset is there with us? Second and third asset தான் நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கு. Second and third asset தான் இருக்கு நமக்கு. So when you change the method, we've got only the second mission and which mission? Third mission for us. When the second mission was purchased? 1st July 2016 தான் purchase பண்ணிருப்போம். Cost of the second mission எவ்வளவு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 10,000. Let us apply new method, 15% for 6 months in the first year. Balance. So this will give you the value on 1/1/2018. Third machinery was purchased on what date? Just last year purchase பண்ணோம். எவ்வளவுக்கு purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? 25,000 purchase பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Depreciation போடும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? 15% for 6 months. 15% for 6 months. So this is the value of the asset. This was purchased on what date? So what is the value of the asset? Add both. So difference in value we will transfer to P&L. Which value? Then 31/12/18. By depreciation we have to provide as per the new method. What is the new value? Into 15%. Sale இருக்கான்னு? ஓ இந்த செட்டை சேல் பண்றோம். Oh my god. அப்ப depreciation போடக்கூடாது இல்லையா? Buy bank. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி buy depreciation எப்ப சேல் பண்றோம் asset? 1/7/18 இல்லையா? Buy depreciation. Which mission? Second missionக்கு எவ்வளவு depreciation போடுவீங்க? This one 7862.5 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 15% for 6 months. How much? 590. Record the sale. 1/7/18. By bank, it is sold for 2,000. first mission, second mission தானே. At the beginning of the year 7862 இருந்துச்சு, minus depreciation ஒரு 590 னா what is the value? 727. Okay, 7272 வச்சுக்கலாம். 7272 sold for 2000 now. 1/7/2018 loss on sale. What is the loss on sale? Then 31/12/2018, which mission will be there? Only one mission is left. Third mission தான் இருக்கு. Third mission ஓட வேல்யூ இப்போ தான் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணோம். The 23,125 into எவ்வளோ percentage? Okay. Okay, with this we'll stop for today because I'd like to start the bills of exchange fresh. Okay, so next will be which one? Bills of exchange, then rectification of errors, then we'll move on to the final accounts of which one? Sole traders, non-profit organizations will do. Okay, so let us not hurry because next hour if I take already 6 hours per hour, but bills of exchange for the hard topic. When I take that, then you will be feeling out of the place. So next we will continue with which one? Bills of exchange tomorrow morning. Copy பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Over.